Welcome to SoftGPT, the channel where AI tools become powerful solutions for creators, marketers, and digital entrepreneurs like you. Let me ask you something. What if you could take any ordinary video and instantly turn it into a viral, high-converting advertisement? No complex editing, no fancy gear, and absolutely no video editing experience required. Sounds like magic, right? Well, today, we're unlocking that power using a tool called Nemo Video, an AI-powered platform that makes content creation not just effortless, but enjoyable, fast, and truly professional. Let's jump straight into it. Once you're on the home page, click on Get Started, and it will take you straight to the dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. We're going to turn a simple unboxing video into a polished, scroll-stopping advertisement. For this demo, I'll be working with a product you're all familiar with, the AirPods Pro. Let's begin by giving our task a name. I'm calling it AirPods Pro Unboxing. Then enter the product details like model name, features, etc. Now, here's a great feature. You can choose whether to generate the video directly or review and analyze the script first. I recommend selecting all available options, especially if you want to understand how the AI structures the ad. Then, select your preferred video length. I'm going with 30 seconds for this demo, but you can go longer if needed. Next, upload your raw video footage, your unboxing, product shots, or any content you want to transform. Once done, just click the OK button to move on. Script analysis and ad concepts. Now comes the real power of Nemo Video, the AI-generated script, summary, and analysis. Within seconds, you'll see a full breakdown of selling points, storyline structure, key visuals and characters, environment, and emotional tone. It's basically doing what a creative ad agency would do, but with a few clicks. Nemo will then generate 3 distinct ad scripts for your video. 1. Script 1, focused on first impressions and packaging highlights. Script 2, a high-energy showcase of product features and benefits. 3. A more lifestyle-driven narrative with emotional engagement. All 3 scripts are professionally written and tailored to different types of audiences. Choose the one that best fits your brand tone, or try them all for A/B testing. Once you've selected your favorite, hit Process to move forward. Ad, Generation and Demo, 3:30 to 5. Now let's take a look at the final output. This is where Nemo takes your raw video and transforms it into a ready-to-use ad. Example from Script 1. Let's unbox the stunning new AirPods Pro. Sleek, minimal and powerful. Here's what you get in the box. Voiceover plays with visuals synced perfectly.
Discover the new AirPods Pro 2. The iconic unboxing feel. Apple's obsession with every detail is unreal, from the box to the docks. And here they are, the stunningly redesigned AirPods Pro. So compact and feels so incredible in hand. That magnetic snap is so satisfying. Engineered for truly rich and immersive sound, and a fit that feels truly custom-made. Now with a versatile USB-C charging cable. Upgrade your everyday audio. Click to shop now.
Example from Script 2. Meet the AirPods Pro, a powerhouse of pure sound and active noise cancellation, designed to move with you and sound like no other.
Let's unbox the new AirPods Pro. That premium unboxing feeling. Apple's famous attention to detail. And there they are, the iconic AirPods Pro in their brand new case, so light and easy to grab. The new shape is made for a really comfy fit. That branding just feels premium. Now with a brand new braided charging cable. It's smooth and simple. The setup is fast and hassle-free. Get yours and upgrade your sound today.
Pretty impressive, right? From a basic product video to a fully produced ad with voiceovers, text animations, pacing, and structure. All done by AI. No editing timeline, no studio, no team. Just upload, select, and generate. You can create bulk ad content, each one customized for different platforms or audiences, without hiring editors or script writers. Whether you're selling physical products, digital tools, or running client campaigns, This tool gives you the power to produce high-performing videos at scale. And the best part, you can try it out for free. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. This is SoftGPT, where we simplify the power of AI, so you can focus on results, not technical struggles. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. More AI tools, tutorials, and smart automation hacks coming your way soon. See you in the next video.